All right, whew, hot, dehydrated, out of breath. This fire is so incredibly hot. Look at that head. That fire is blistering hot. Burning wood, burning the old shed. Whew, can you feel that heat? It's gonna melt the phone. Oh, that hole is 3 feet deep, 2.5. It was about 3.5 foot deep, and with the rain and all the burning, it's about probably 2.5 feet deep now. That's it. Believe it or not, that fire is blistering hot. It is frying the leaves on that magnolia. That's a magnolia. I don't know what kind, but it's definitely a magnolia. And it is frying those leaves. These 2 toggle worm trees are dead. I just hope I don't catch them on fire. Anyway, got the hose ready. And 2 fire extinguishers ready. Just in case. Whew, mercy. Hot, hot, hot. I'm so hot, I'm shaking. All right, gotta throw some more wood on the fire. We'll see you.